Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make mini pavlovas. This is a very easy dessert you can make whenever you have leftover egg whites. To make the pavlovas, first take the egg whites and start beating it. Break the egg whites a little bit from the beater and start adding sugar little at a time. Keep adding sugar little at a time. This helps to incorporate well and for the sugar to melt with the egg whites. Beat the egg whites until it forms stiff peaks. Halfway through, make sure to stop the beater and scrape the bowl to combine all the sugar in with the egg whites. Once it comes to stiff peaks, add vanilla extract for flavor. And also I'm adding white vinegar, and then I'm going to add some corn starch, which will help to build the gooiness in the meringue. Give it a good mix until everything combines. After everything is well mixed, add the cornstarch and give it a final mix. Once egg whites form stiff peaks, you can see when you take some to the whisk, it should stand up just like this. I'm applying a little bit of meringue to the baking sheet to secure the baking paper. Now this is the fun part. I'm going to pipe the meringue in a round shape, and I'm going to do the base layer and come up a little bit and end just like a small mountain, and keep doing it according to the shape you like or the size you like. If you look at the sizes, mine are not uniform, they are a little different. Of course the last one is a little smaller. Then I'm going to use a back of a spoon and dig a little well in the middle so I can put the heavy cream and the fruits. Once you're done, you can bake this meringue for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once the meringue are baked, make sure you switch off the oven without opening the door and let the meringue cool inside the oven for about 45 minutes. After you leave the meringue inside the oven to cool, so you can take the meringue outside. When the meringues are cooling, you can prepare the toppings. I took some heavy cream and I whipped it until it's whipped consistency, and then I took some strawberries and sliced them so I can decorate the pavlovas. You can put the whipped cream into a piping bag and pipe some whipped cream on top of the meringue and decorate them with some fruits. You can use any fruits you like. I only have strawberries and I think it suits well for the Valentine's Day. And yeah, so I'm going to add a little bit of whipped cream on top of this meringue and decorate them with the strawberries, and hope you like it. Enjoy! As always, all the ingredients are listed in the description box below the video. And if you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time!